Pardon the bad audio, I'm just using my phone, but this is the old well house on the property that I got about 6 months ago, and there's this filtration system here. It's a 3-stage ice-spring filtration system. The water here's got some mud in it and some high iron, so there's a sediment filter, a carbon filter, and a iron filter in there. But check this out. Let me show you this. These are the old filters that came out of there. So that is the sediment filter, that's the carbon filter, and that's the iron filter. And this is about, I don't know, about 6 months, I guess, since I changed them. The water pressure started to get real low. But shout out to Ice Spring. I mean, look how much mud that these things caught.